Oh gosh.
You got my hair!
What do you mean I got your hair?
I said just don't get my
No, look at it. I got that and it sprayed up.
Wow, Jen, that was a big balloon.
It's okay. I'm gonna have to shower
Oh,
again.
that one has soap in it. Look at that.
No, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. It'll dry. You can just use a little round brush and dry it.
Okay, it's not like I went for your head.
Uh-oh.
It's over.
Aye! No wedgies. Come on. Come on. Okay, that's alright. Oh! Whoa! Where did that come from? Oh, he has two more. Here's another one right there. Here's another one. What are you doing now?
What is it? Oh, okay. Oh boy.